Here we have another Asus laptop that came in for no power. The laptop does not power on. We disassembled the board, and while working on the board, we discovered a short. I have a lot of viewers that ask, is the short always caused by a faulty capacitor? Because every Asus laptop that we worked on, we had a shorted capacitor. And the answer is no. Sometimes it's a CPU issue. Like now, let me show you what I mean. Whenever we get an Asus laptop that does not power on, the first thing that we do is check on the power MOSFETs. And we did find a short on this MOSFET here. Let me confirm. So what do we do when we find a short? We inject voltage. We inject 1 volt right here, and we monitor the board under a thermal cam and see what gets hot. That will point us to the component that is shorted to ground. We've done tons of Asus laptop repairs on the channel, and every single one of them, we do the same procedure, and it almost always turns out to be a shorted capacitor. So what we're gonna do is flip over to our thermal cam, and we're gonna inject voltage at the shorted area of the MOSFET and see what gets hot. We're gonna inject voltage, 1, 2, 3, and what's getting hot? The CPU. The short is directly coming from the CPU. Usually, it's a shorted capacitor that we replace, but in this case, the short is coming from the CPU. Right over here. So what do? We let the customer know and we ship it back to him. Laptop is deemed a no fix. Rest in peace and bye-bye.